In this last video, we're going to learn how to take our I Like Turtles app and add speech and change the label using setters. First, we're going to go from designer view to block view, where we're going to start coding up our app. First, we're going to code up the speech button, which should be familiar to those who made the Hello World app. We click on the button, we drag out the when button is clicked, do. We grab the text-to-speech component. We find the call to speak block. We hear that satisfying click sound. We grab a block of text, and then we put in our I Like Turtles. Now, the next block of code we're going to write is for the button label. And I like the way we labeled our buttons so that we can find them easily in the coding view, in the blocks view, sorry. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have the button label that when clicked, we're going to change this label's text. So we're going to set the label's text property to something different. There's all kinds of properties we can set and get in the label under the label one. But what we want to do is we want to set that text to the text I Like Turtles again. Now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to program this clear button. To program the clear button, we're going to do the same thing where we're going to set label one's text property and we're going to set it to be just blank. So now when our app runs, we have code that when they click the speech button, it will say I Like Turtles. When we click the label button, it will print on the label I Like Turtles, and when we click on the clear button, it will take that I Like Turtles and clear it out. Our next step would be to connect this app to our phone or the emulator to make sure we've programmed everything correctly.